Steely EMT connector. Set screw type from ELECMAN. Constructed from Hive-grade steel with uniform zinc-plated finish. This fitting provides excellent corrosion resistance and lasting mechanical stability. Its sturdy steady screw locking structure firmly connects thin a wall tubing to junction boxes, equipment enclosures, and distribution panels. Listed and compliant with UL 514 standards. It ensures stable grounding continuity and prevents loosening caused by vibration. A full range of sizes spans from 1/2 to 4 inches to meet various construction demands. Designed for quick on-site installation, it applies widely in residential, commercial, and industrial wiring. Choose certified ELECMAN conduits fittings to secure safety and integrity for your electrical racing way systems.